no level. OMG, guys. Yay! Fuck, they're chasing the police out of their boss. Hey, Jesus. Hey, yeah. Fuck. Hey, what about Tibinu? What's Tibinu?
On this side.
Go chop now, so wetin you go do? See what they start doing for.
Na start doing this for hand. And you still want me to stay? Go punish them.
But you don't chop something now, so you can score your first out.
Now the money and the follow.
They give you money, but of course, now.
They never pay. But they will still pay us. So why that they shatter our money?
But who go on chatter now?
Huh?
Who they chatter? I won't go meet them. Who say I should go run now? No, I say you know the people wey chatter. People wey dey send. Which government person?
Huh?
Which government person?
APC.
APC people.
What did they do? They are together.
Eh?
They join APC. All they are here.
For this mini, no level. No level. No level.
The prisoner to collect. We need the prisoner. Come on. Yeah, collect. All the prisoners to come out. Yes, we need freedom. Yeah, come out. Freedom.
Yeah, freedom.
Na moto. No be moto, na gun. They are shooting, you can imagine. They are shooting the prisoners. Hey! Everybody. We not agree. We not go agree. Look at. They are shooting. Everybody should come out. They are shooting. More rush that guy now. More rush that guy. More rush that guy. Hey! Let's rush him. More rush him. He wants to shoot. They shoot direct. They shoot direct. Not direct. They shoot. We now agree. We must release the people in this prison yard. More go along with that too. Huh? They shoot going, they shoot. Oh yeah, I'm going to pursue now, yes. We now agree freedom. Freedom for the prisoner. Freedom. Yes, freedom. We now agree. Let them shoot, let them shoot. No, go be fast. No, go be fast. Freedom. Freedom! Freedom! We need freedom! Prisoners should release! Come on! Oh, let's go. Yes, so. Don't come outside!
Don't scatter up. Don't put prisoners so. Boy, don't burn. Prisoners out! Yes, now you stay inside prison. 4 years. 4 years. 4 years, now you stay inside prison.
Hello guys, so I want to share with you what happened to me yesterday when I went out to protest. I'm so angry right now. Listen, I went out to protest yesterday. When I got back to where I parked my car, my both side mirrors were gone, obviously stolen. Like, this is madness. People leave their offices, their work, whatever they have to do. They come out here to protest for a better Nigeria. And some idiots, some bastards, some stupid fools are stealing people's personal effects. Please, let us be you are your brother's keeper at this point in time. Let us be very, very watchful of our environment. Let's not allow any idiots make us feel some type of way about coming out to protest, because we start to feel like, oh, if I come out, somebody will steal my property. And for this, be very, very watchful of your property, your phones, anything you come out with. Let's be careful. If you notice anything, any funny activity, any funny movement, make sure you alert anybody around you so that these persons can be brought to justice and be dealt with. Any idiot that is caught in such act will be dealt with seriously. It's just bastards. Now go kill your papa. Let me catch them first.